Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make payment for Walmart rewards card. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've got about 4 different ways how to make payments for Walmart's reward cards. So the first way is online payment. So what you want to do is go to walmart.com/credit login and then log in with your username and password. Then navigate to the make a payment section and then enter the amount you wish to pay. Provide your bank account information if it's not already saved. From there, review your payment details and confirm the payment. Now, if you're doing this through the mobile app, so if you haven't done so already, download the Walmart mobile app, then log into your account and then go to make a payment. So go to the credit card section, select make a payment, and then enter the payment amount and bank account details. And then from there, review and confirm the payment. And now if you want to do it via the phone, what you need to do is first call customer service. So dial the customer service number for your Walmart rewards card. This number is usually found on the back of your card or on your billing statement. And then you're going to be brought to some automated prompts. So follow the prompts to make a payment over the phone. You may need to provide your card number and other personal information for verification. Then enter the payment information. So provide your payment information when prompted. This typically includes your bank account and routing numbers. And then confirm the payment and details. And you can also make a payment via mail as well. So prepare your payment. So write a check or money order for the amount you wish to pay. Include your Walmart rewards card account number on the check. Include the payment stub from your billing statement. If you don't have the stub, include a note with your account number. And then mail your payment to the address provided on your billing statement. And you can also do an in-store payment. So you can visit a Walmart store. So go to the customer service desk or a Walmart money center in any Walmart store. And then provide them with payment information. So inform the associate that you want to make a payment for your Walmart rewards card. Provide your card and payment information. And then complete the payment process with the associate. And you can also set up auto pays as well, or automatic payments. So to do that, what you need to do is log into your online account and navigate to the auto pay section. So set up automatic payments by entering your bank account information and selecting the amount you want to pay each month. For example, the minimum payment, the full balance, or half payment, whatever floats your boat. And then from there, confirm auto pay setup. So review and confirm the auto pay setup. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your bank account each month to avoid any issues or delays or fees associated if you don't have enough money for the auto pay to get out your bank. So yeah, by using any of these methods, you can easily make a payment for your Walmart rewards card.